Hi, this is Sammy again. I'm gonna do an identity today that stumps a lot of students because yes, I know why it stumps them, because they look at this and they look at their identity sheet and they don't see anything that will help them figure this out. So this question here, what it requires is that you multiply this one of the sides by the conjugate. And what's the conjugate? The conjugate of this basically is gonna be if I multiply in the right side by the conjugate, since I have a lot of space on this right side, you could work on the left side or the right side, doesn't matter. The conjugate of this is 1 plus cos x. So basically it's the same thing as this, but with the opposite sign. So whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So you multiply the top by 1 plus cos x. Why? Because, you know, this is 1, and if you multiply anything by 1, you don't change the quantity of this. So it will look different, but the real quantity wouldn't change because you multiply it by 1. So now, when you multiply by the conjugate, here the top, don't distribute anything. And I'll tell you why you don't want to be distributing the sine x into 1 plus cos x. Because when you do an identity, it's always keep in mind where you're trying to get to, you know, so you're trying to get to this. Now, if I look at this right here and I look at this part here looks exactly like this. So the bottom, definitely the bottom, you want to FOIL this. So when you FOIL this, you're going to get 1 plus cos x minus cos x minus cos squared x. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times plus cos x, negative cos x times 1 is negative cos x times positive cos x is you get cos squared x. This will cancel. And you'll end up with sine x. Again, you don't want to distribute that inside the 1 plus cos x on top. And the bottom will be 1 minus cos squared x. Now, if you remember your identity, the sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, it could be manipulated because 1 minus cos squared from that identity will give you sine squared. So therefore, this will become sine x times 1 plus cos x all over 1 minus cosine squared is sine squared x. Now this sine x right here will cancel with the square right there. And you'll end up with 1 plus cos x over sine x, which is exactly that. And that's what you needed to prove. So this question is finished. Thank you for watching. Till next time, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.